Today, we're tackling a popular question: how to view Instagram stories without the person knowing. If you're curious about someone's stories but want to keep your views anonymous, stick around and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, let's dive into it. Note that these methods focus on viewing stories discreetly. Let's start with the most common technique. One of the simplest way is to use airplane mode. Here's how. First, open Instagram app and let the stories load. Swipe down from the top right corner and simply turn on the airplane mode. Once airplane mode is on, go back to Instagram and view the stories you're interested. Make sure to close the app completely before turning airplane mode off to prevent the app from sending view notifications. Another method is to use a secondary account. Here's how you can do that. If you don't already have one, create a new account. You can do this by using the going to the app and going to settings and clicking on add account. Log in with secondary account and follow the account whose story you want to view. You can now view the stories from your secondary account, and next thing you can do is you can also view stories through a web browser without logging in. Go to Instagram web or go to instagram.com, and you can often view from the web version without logging in. Remember, while these methods can help you view stories discreetly, it's important to respect people's privacy and use these techniques responsibly.